Today we're featuring a 2016 Acura ILX. It's got 25,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a really nice blue metallic color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it's got the lock unlock button here on the door handle. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. Everything looks good along the driver's side. The rear of the vehicle looks good. It is equipped with a backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle is in great shape. Really nice vehicle. Exterior's well maintained. It is a 16 with 25,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the black and gray door panel, power locks, power windows, gray leather, power driver's seat. Alright, the leather is in great shape here. Passenger seat's good too. Alright, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. It is an automatic with heated seats. It's got your dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD player, push button start. Alright, your backup screen right there, backup camera will be displayed right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. You know what? Actually, let me go ahead and get a shot of the sunroof for you. I'll pan back from it. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. It's got 25,082 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen here. I'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat, and we'll also look at your trunk space. Back seat leather looks good. No issues at all back here. Everything well maintained. Let's go ahead and show you the center console here. Got the cup holders. Alright. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Really nice little car here. Let's take a look in your trunk space. Carpet's clean. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. Actually a considerable amount of space for a smaller sedan. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got, what size do we have here? 17-inch alloys. Right, tires are still good. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, so 2016 Acura ILX, still under factory warranty. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's got 25,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.